Hey there, welcome back to Side Channel today.
Bats are the only mammals that have true powered flight. Their feet have enormously elongated hook-like claws. They're certainly useful for back scratching and ear picking, but most importantly of all, they are for hunting. They make a series of very loud short calls, and by listening to the echoes are able to create a mental map of their surroundings. It's so detailed that they can navigate in total darkness. And bulldog bats use this talent to catch fish, which is not easy. Their calls bounce off the surface of water, so they can't reveal anything beneath. But they can nonetheless give clues. A bat will scan the surface of the water with broad echolocation calls. When something is detected, they're able to focus on it. Using its feet like grappling hooks, it rakes the surface of the sea. Thanks to this super sense, these remarkable bats have become astonishingly successful fishermen.